Yesterday I got your number. I think it was you who called me. Your voice was so familiar. I asked who you were. You said I'm your mom. Then I said I love you. Then I said I miss you. Then you said I miss you too. And then you hung up. It can't be true. No, it can't be true. 'Cause if it were, I would have heard from you. Then you would say I love you. Then you would say I miss you. Then I would say I miss you too. And you would say come home.